Long before clocks existed, people measured time by watching the sun move across the sky. They soon noticed that shadows changed in length and direction throughout the day. Ancient civilizations used these observations to track sunrise, sunset, and the seasons. These simple discoveries became the foundation of the world's first clocks. Ancient Egyptians created the world's first sundials using the sun's shadow to measure the passing hours. For the first time, people could tell time with a simple and reliable device. But sundials only worked during the day and failed at night or on cloudy days. This challenge led to the invention of the water clock, changing timekeeping forever. The first water clocks measured time by allowing water to flow steadily between containers. Ancient Egyptians continued improving these clocks, making them more accurate and dependable. Their innovations made it possible to measure time even after sunset and during cloudy weather. Water clocks became one of history's greatest breakthroughs in timekeeping. The Babylonians adopted water clocks, and the ancient Greeks refined them into devices called clepsydras. These clocks became essential in temples, courts, and public gatherings where accurate timing mattered. Water flowed at a steady rate, allowing people to measure time more precisely than ever before. Timekeeping was becoming an important part of everyday civilization. Ancient China developed more advanced water clocks with remarkable engineering and precision. Soon after, people invented candle clocks to measure the passing hours indoors and at night. The burning wax marked time with surprising consistency for its era. Each new invention brought humanity one step closer to accurate timekeeping. Incense clocks soon became popular in Asia, measuring time through the slow burning of fragrant incense. Later, the invention of the hourglass offered a simple and portable way to keep track of time. Sailors especially relied on hourglasses to measure time during long ocean voyages. These innovations made timekeeping more practical in everyday life and at sea. As medieval cities grew, people needed a more accurate way to keep time every day. This need led to the creation of the first mechanical clocks in 13th century Europe. Powered by falling weights, these remarkable machines could run automatically for hours. A new era of timekeeping had finally begun. Massive iron gears worked together to keep the mechanical clocks running with steady precision. These giant clocks were installed in church towers overlooking busy towns and cities. Every hour, loud bells rang across the streets, letting everyone know the time. For the first time, entire communities shared the same daily schedule. With reliable clocks, daily life became more organized as work, markets, and events followed set schedules. Skilled clockmakers continued improving their designs with greater precision and craftsmanship. The invention of spring-powered clocks replaced heavy weights, making clocks smaller and more practical. Timekeeping was becoming a part of everyday life. Portable clocks soon appeared, allowing people to carry time wherever they traveled. Elegant pocket watches became a symbol of wealth, style, and precision. The addition of the minute hand made timekeeping more accurate than ever before. Humanity was learning to value every passing minute. The second hand was added, allowing clocks to measure time with even greater precision. In 1656, Christian Huygens invented the revolutionary pendulum clock. Its steady swinging motion made clocks far more accurate than ever before. A new standard of precision had arrived. Marine chronometers helped sailors navigate the oceans with remarkable accuracy. As railways expanded, precise time became essential for safe and reliable travel. This led to the creation of standardized time zones across the world. Time was now connecting nations like never before. Wristwatches soon became popular, bringing accurate timekeeping to everyday life. During World War I, soldiers relied on wristwatches to coordinate their missions. Soon after, electric clocks introduced a new era of reliable and effortless timekeeping. The evolution of the clock was moving faster than ever. In 1927, the invention of the quartz clock transformed timekeeping with incredible precision. Its vibrating quartz crystal kept time far more accurately than traditional mechanical clocks. Soon, affordable quartz watches became popular in homes and on wrists around the world. A new age of precise and accessible timekeeping had begun. Digital clocks introduced bright electronic displays that made reading the time easier than ever. LED and LCD technology soon became a part of everyday clocks and watches around the world. Then came smartwatches, combining timekeeping with health tracking, communication, and navigation. The humble clock had evolved into a powerful digital companion. Scientists developed the atomic clock, the most accurate timekeeping device ever created. Its incredible precision keeps GPS satellites, the internet, and global communications perfectly synchronized. Today, researchers are building even more advanced optical atomic clocks with astonishing accuracy. The future of timekeeping has never looked more exciting. The next generation of clocks may use quantum technology to measure time with unimaginable precision. These futuristic clocks could guide deep space missions and help humanity explore new worlds. From ancient sundials to quantum keeping, the journey of timekeeping reflects thousands of years of human innovation. The story of the clock is the story of our endless search to understand and master time itself.